So during the circuit breaker, we find it very hard to engage the student because the center is closed. That makes us start to think, then what other ways can we engage the IT students? So we started to think of going online to engage them.
I've been volunteering with Excite for the past year because I see the potential of the students in how they can be leaders and change makers in society, and I think that is worth our time investing and our resources. In May, we had 2 workshops with the students, and the workshop was on counseling and harmony, thinking about how we can better interact with people to have better people skills in this time. During the workshop, my role was more as a facilitator along with my colleague Fuji. We were thinking about how to best speak to them and journey alongside them if they were facing any difficulties because of the circuit breaker or because of the having to stay at home for a prolonged period of time. So one of the memorable experiences that we have had was, I think one of the times when we were playing basketball, then a group of students from IT also asked to join us to play a match, and I think through that experience, through that friendly competition over the few months, they are a lot more confident in their self-perception and in their own abilities.
Some of the difficulties faced for our youth is financial difficulties and social-emotional issues. So I make a point to SMS each and every one of them individually at least once a week to find out how are they doing. I try to encourage them by ordering meals for them without they knowing, and they are so surprised by it. During this difficult period, we would like to have volunteers out volunteering to help us on the online engagement workshop.
I hope that our time in Excite would help them to see themselves as individuals who are able to make that change. And we do hope that there would be more volunteers who would be able to come on board to join us.
So when you give your time and love to the youth, you will be refreshed and encouraged. Every little things you do make a difference.